Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm going to smoke up a bone-in pork belly. It's going to be cooked on the Primo ceramic grill. I'm going to use a dry rub on it, smoke it up for a few hours, and then finish it with a sauce until it's nice and juicy and tender. Lovely. Okay, so this has been going for a good few hours now, I think about 4 or 5 hours. It's lovely and tender and juicy. The sauce was set on it lovely. I'm going to have a taste and see how I got on. Got really nice smoke. The rub comes through lovely that I've used on this. It's a favourite of mine. Keep an eye out for it. And that barbecue sauce is just fantastic. So really happy with this. I'm going to get stuck in and enjoy this. Share it with a few friends. So if you like what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke, remember that button down there? Smash it, like, comment, let me know you like my videos. It's all appreciated. Cheers.